Alright, Tanta, let's get down to the crux of the matter, the films which people see you and love you for. You were brilliant in Fire, people loved you in Earth, and we were all waiting for Water, which would have you. Now that Water has been released and it has got critical and even box office success here in America, what is your feeling that you were finally not part of it?
No, of course, I would be lying if I said I'm not sad that I wasn't part of Water. I shaved my hair is so short and isn't growing back properly because of it. But I'm just very happy that the film at least got finally made and that people are able to see for themselves that there was nothing offensive about the film. There was no reason why a certain section of the community can just take it upon themselves and become the cultural police and actually stop a film. But yes, I'm sad, but you know, these things, there are lots of factors why a decision is taken, and Deepa Mehta would know her reasons why she changed the cast, and I respect that.
You've been to Atlanta before and you travel here also. So what is it about Atlanta and the US that you like? Do you like meeting the people of Indian origin? Do you like interacting with the other communities? What do you like doing once you come to the United States?
I like people, I like interesting people, and when you like someone or you call someone a friend, I think you try not to put limitations to that. They don't have to be of Indian origin, because once you go into India, then they would say, oh, but do you like Odias more, or the Gujaratis more, or the Bengalis more, or the South Indians more? Even if you go to one state, you would say, oh, you like this district more. So I think identities never cease. So I like good people, I like interesting people, I like people who believe in what they're doing, who've made interesting choices. And wherever you travel, whether to the States or Europe or you know, within the country, there are lots of interesting and good people around, and that's what makes that's what inspires you, that's what keeps you going, that's what motivates you. And I'm fortunate to have met some wonderful people. And of course in the US, one thing I always do, especially if I go to New York, I try and watch all these independent films that never come to India. You only get the big Hollywood blockbusters, so I try and watch these films. I watch plays, Broadways and off-Broadways. In Atlanta last time, the most memorable experience for me was to go to see the Martin Luther King's museum. It was a very moving experience. I was almost crying, and you know, I think he was a great man and he was so inspired by Gandhiji, and I'm a big follower of what Gandhiji was stood for, the life he led, and what he said. So I was happy to see that people here do respect him, I think more than they respect in our own country.